Good motherfucking morning, you guys. It's been a little bit since I've filmed or posted, but I'm back, kind of. It's just been a very busy past month and stressful, and I just got over the peak. Well, no, I'm still stressed right now. I'll explain everything, but first, let me get ready, let me eat breakfast and go to the gym and all that. Yeah, you're just gonna spend the day with me today because I kind of missed talking to y'all. And let's pick out an outfit first. Poop! What's up, poopies? Good morning, poopies! I love you. I love you. Heated up microwave. She wanna ride my wave. I did like a self-tan. I used the Tanology drops and I mixed it in my lotion. And it gave me a nice like all over tan. But I couldn't get my back, so that's obviously still very white. Overall, it's a great experience. No transfer. I don't have to wash it off. I love Tanology. I ran out of the normal face wash that I use, but my sister-in-law got me this e.l.f. Holy Hydration Daily Cleanser, and it's been working, so. But I am in the market for a new face wash. Alright, I'm kind of proud of my skincare routine at the moment. After I've washed my face, you know, it's feeling tight now. It's feeling clean. Afterwards, I go in with toner. It says it has AHA and BHA in it, whatever that means. But I put it in my hands and I just press it into my face. After that, I always use, my hair. Hold on, let me put this freaking headband on. Wait, all my hair's out of my face. Whatever. Then I use bio oil and I put like 3 or 4 drops in the palm of my hand. My hands are all fucked because the tanner. I need to look into some other oils for my face. I've been using bio oil for so long and it works, it's great. Now I'm using the Rhode Peptide Glazing Fluid. I'm almost out. I want to get some more. And y'all, this whole like Hieeeee Selena drama is so sad, honestly. Why is everyone attacking this poor girl? Leave her alone, dude. Honestly, in my mind, everyone's reaching. Everyone's reaching with the whole Selena and Hieeeee and Kylie or Kendall drama. Everyone's reaching so far. And they think they're finding these connections. I'm just not for people bullying each other on the internet. That's not cute at all. I don't give a fuck. I like this stuff. Makes my skin nice and glazed and hydrated. Then I go in with this other moisturizer. I have a decent amount of Korean products and I need to get some more because Korean skincare is where it's at. And last but not least, sunscreen. Hold on, let me do this aesthetic. I love that. I've been needing a sunscreen that doesn't really like leave a white cast and it isn't really heavy, and this is it, y'all. Like usually the sunscreens that I wear just feel like I'm wearing a layer of sunscreen. This just feels like I'm putting extra moisturizer on. It's nice. Oh, I lied. The actual last step is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. I'm running out of this. I already have a new bottle, but I'm just trying to squeeze every last drop that I can. And the fact that this isn't plastic, so I can't cut it open, is kind of annoying. But there is, like, I see some in there, so. Okay, and that is it for my skincare. Now my skin is all ready for makeup, just a little bit. If I feel like it, sometimes I like wearing makeup to the gym. Just because that is the only outing, that is the only time I come out of the house. Let me put on some deodorant real quick, and then we'll start our makeup. For my foundation, I've been using the Morphe Hint Hint Skin Tint I love it. And because I'm a little tan right now, I can use my darker shade. My makeup routine isn't all that right now. It changes so often. But I'm just gonna do that. So let me kind of let y'all in on what's been happening in my life. So within this past month, I've been really busy and a little stressed out. Not even a little, a lot stressed out because I started this EMR class. So in the Air Force, it's mandatory now for all Air Force fire personnel to be nationally registered as an EMR. For those of us that didn't get nationally registered, we have to take this course and this test. The material's pretty easy. It's more so the test that's really hard and that we're all nervous about. Sorry, I had to change my lighting situation a bit, but so this test is like very hard, doable, but that's all I've heard about this test is that it's hard, it's confusing. If you read too much into it, you will fail. Like, you can't assume things about the question. Now I'm using the Fenty Beauty stick and we're gonna bronze this face up. But anyways, I've been in that class now. And I'm done with the class finally, and I take my test tomorrow. So today's goal is to cram as much as I can and then take the test tomorrow and then be done with it, hopefully. And then while all that is going on, my officer book, so I'm not sure if you've watched my last video or not, I talked briefly about this company officer book that I have to complete now that I've made staff, and it's coming due very soon. It's not done, and I've just been putting it off and it's due soon. But past shift yesterday, I just completed honestly the hardest part of the book, which for me was the oral boards. So I have 7 oral boards and then I had 21 writing assignments, or no, 15 writing assignments that I had to do, and I've completed all 15 writing assignments and completed all the oral boards now. That is like a big weight that's like off of my chest now. Now all that's left is for like the practicals, basically just doing an exercise and seeing if I'm actually competent enough to do what's asked of me, I guess. But yeah, so that's what's been stressing me out these past few weeks. But once I take the test tomorrow and once I pass it, I can stop stressing, hopefully. So I take my test tomorrow, right? They apparently get notification whether you passed or failed like within the hour. So I'm hoping that I get my results that day. That way I can chill out for my birthday, because my birthday's on the 15th. Today's the 13th. Tomorrow's my test, the 14th. And then my birthday is on the 15th. So I have been studying. Not as much as probably I could be, but I have been studying. Phoenix, my husband, did a very sweet thing for me yesterday. I was super stressed out about my oral boards, and so I finished my last one yesterday, and I was rewarded with being able to come home early. And Phoenix went and got me flowers and Pocky sticks and some gummies. I was very appreciative and grateful that he did that, because that was a very stressful time. This is the Rare Beauty blush in the color Joy. It's like a orangey pinky blush, I don't know. But I love her. She makes me look sun-kissed. I don't know what it is, but when I first started using a Rare Beauty blush, it like did not work out for me. It lifted my makeup underneath and it left, like it dried so fast. It would leave like a mark of where I initially stamped the first bit of pigment. But with this one, with Joy, I might need to try the other one that I have, because maybe it's just my base layer and the way I do it differently now, but it works now. I love it. I don't do my eyebrows right now. Like, I don't know what it is, but I just hate doing my eyebrows at the moment. So I just brush her up and that's it. Yeah. That's all. And then I do a little flick of eyeliner. My eyelashes just fell off. See? Just like the slightest bit. And then we're gonna set our face. I like to go a little bit overboard to where I'm soaking wet. I kind of go back in under my eyes and just kind of blend out that foundation that might have creased. Laura Mercier powder, powdering our under eyes and the T-zone area, kind of. And we're not dragging. We're not dragging. We are simply patting. Have y'all been watching The Last of Us? If you haven't, you need to. That way the powder kind of like melts into my skin. That's pretty much it as far as my makeup. And then I'll put on some mascara, but my lashes have been kind of hating me recently, so I'm a little, I don't really want to put mascara on, but I might do a little bit. I'll do a little bit. This is brown mascara, Maybelline New York Sky High in the color True Brown. Oh no! I've been loving the look of having eyeliner in my waterline. Who would have thought? I hate on myself, I hate having eyeliner in my waterline. I just look dirty. But something happened and now I like it. So I'm gonna do just that on my top and bottom waterline. But this one, this is the grwm Beauty one. This one's not great at all, I will say. But for me, someone who doesn't really like a very harsh black in their waterline, this works for me. See, I kind of look dirty, but I'm also into it. I think I'm also gonna put mascara on my bottom lashes. Okay, that's my makeup. I have not seen what the workout is yet, and I don't plan to look at it until I get there. Because lately I've been kind of cherry picking my workouts in that I'll look at the workout online and then I'll be like, I don't really want to do that. And then I don't go. And then I get fat and then I get not strong. So we're gonna stop doing that and then just hope for the best. Right now it's 8:44. I go to the gym at 8:30. We have a little less than an hour and I'm debating whether I should eat breakfast. These are the flowers that my husband got me. Aren't they so cute? I'm in the car. I kind of wish I wore sweats. It's a little cold, but it's 9:20 right now. The gym's like 6 minutes away, so quite of a fast drive. We're just gonna go. I really don't feel like working out today, but we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it because we need to. Because it's healthy for us. Because we're trying to stay fit. We're trying to stay strong. Okay, let's go. I just got done with the workout and I am starving. I should have eaten before. I ended up not eating. But then again, I might have puked mid-workout, so I don't know. But I know that I don't have any turkey bacon left, and that is like part of my ritual, part of my breakfast ritual. So I'm gonna run by Trader Joe's and get a couple things, and then we'll eat. I'm hungry though, so grocery shopping while I'm hungry, that's a little dangerous. Yeah, that workout was trash. I thought I could finish it, but then again, I also thought that the workout was a little different than it ended up being. Afterwards though, I did decide to do some upper body work. I have been feeling pretty weak in my upper body, but yeah, I did like a little bit of everything. I did shoulders, I did back, and then a little bit of biceps. So anyways, I'm gonna go to Trader Joe's now. Yes, I did eat like 10 of these on the way here, and I haven't eaten breakfast yet, so that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna make breakfast. I like drinking orange juice in the morning because it makes me feel like I'm at a restaurant. I don't know. This is my breakfast. I eat 2 eggs and 2 pieces of turkey bacon. Yeah, I have a lot of studying to do, so this is probably gonna be the last little bit you'll see from me today because my, once again, EMR test is tomorrow. But I feel pretty confident about the test. We did a practice test called the FISDAP, and it's a 249 question test, all online. And you have like 4 hours and 10 minutes to do it or something like that. And I did it in about a little over 2 hours and I got a 75 on it. And they say that in the range of 70 to 80, you're ready to take the actual the National Registry test. I feel prepared, I do. There are a few things that I will memorize tonight that may or may not be on the test, but you know, whatever's in the book is testable, so I'll kind of just go over those things. Okay, so here's my plan for the rest of the day. I'm gonna shower, then I'm gonna make coffee. Then I will put out all my study materials, and then we're gonna study. We're gonna study for the rest of the day today. I'm so tired, and it's kind of concerning how much coffee is needed in my life. I'm gonna make coffee now.